Evolution versus God continued. Now, intelligent design and creationism have a number of similarities, but also some differences. Most creationists believe in the literal 7 days of creation and a worldwide flood that is described in both the Christian Bible and the Jewish Pentateuch. But it must be stated here, a few do believe in a longer creation period to coincide with evolution. Well, those that go along with the intelligent design model simply state that intelligence is needed for complex design, and that the world and universe is filled with this complex design. Thus, an intelligent designer was necessary. Now, creationists would agree with basically everything that intelligent design proponents believe, but not necessarily the other way around. However, either intelligent design or creationism would eliminate the possibility of evolution. That is why both of these must be attacked vigorously by evolutionists. The theory of evolution must be pushed at any cost, that is, dogmatically. So, what is the result of believing in the idea of evolution? Well, a society that believes in the idea of evolution has three basic values, or the lack of thereof. Number one, there's no concrete moral values. There's no creator to answer to. The second thing is there's a lack of purpose. Since we are accidents, there is no creator and there is no ultimate purpose for life. Humans are no better than animals because that is where we came from. And number three, denial of the creator and an increase in atheism / agnosticism. The mention of God or a creator is eliminated from every public aspect of society. Now, if we look at the third point, we see the ultimate goal for the strong push of the theory of evolution. The acceptance of the theory of evolution completely undermines the whole Bible. Now, how is that? Well, the theory of evolution basically attempts to refute the Genesis account of creation as well as the Genesis worldwide flood. This is contrary to both traditional Judaism and Christianity. The very foundation of the Pentateuch and the Christian Bible is found in the book of Genesis. And for Christians, parts of Genesis is referred to by Jesus in the New Testament. So, if the book of Genesis is incorrect, then so is Jesus. The entire Bible for Christians becomes invalid, if the theory of evolution were actually true. Now, the theory of evolution and the Genesis account of creation cannot both be true. Evolution was invented to negate the Bible. Now, we've seen a huge increase in the first 2 points over the last 5 or 6 decades as evolution has been preached in our schools and the public airwaves. Crime has skyrocketed, suicide rates have increased immensely, and basic values have been replaced by changing moral values. In the early 1960s, prayer in the public schools and the Bible were removed from the classrooms. This was due largely to the acceptance of evolution in the schools and universities, as well as the media. It was at this time that there began to be a steady increase in the crime, teen pregnancies, and the other problems in society. Now, Marxism, communism, and Nazism all had the theory of evolution as the philosophical or religious foundation for their governments. This allowed those countries to kill literally tens of millions of their own people, those that disagreed with them, because people are simply animals and can be eliminated as such. This philosophy, that is, evolution, eventually led to widespread abortion, which, according to Margaret Sanger, the founder of Planned Parenthood, was supposed to be the instrument to eliminate the blacks and other inferior races. This has led to hundreds of millions of more deaths in the womb, according to the Creator that we read about in the Bible. Darwinism was simply an idea that eliminated that Creator. Until the philosophy and religion of evolution, evolution takes much more faith than most major religions, till it's removed from the public schools and the textbooks, we will more than likely continue to see the same slide downward in our society. Thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.